Alright, so today I'm going to build a AI agent that is going to verify your email list and then update that into your CRM or database where it is stored. So that increase that and it increases your deliverability rate so that you don't land in spams. And let's just start building it. So first of all, we need to have a workflow like this. So here you can see that I've added a Sheets search rows module. After that, create verification task, and then Google Sheets update a row column. Here it is Rion email verifier. I mean, this is a tool. Here you can see this is the tool. So and here's the database. You can see that status is success. The email status is valid. It means, and after that, let me show you a quick demo, and let me delete it. And after that, if I run once, you can see it is here, it is showing success. That means the email ID is valid. So let's start building it. So first of all, before start building it, we need to know the thought process behind building, how we are going to build this automation. So first of all, we need a database, and after that we need a email verification tool like Rion verifier or something like else, like maildos or something that you might like. I'm using Rion verifier. And then update the database. I update the database means where you are stored, your leads are stored in Google Sheets or in Airtable. So after that, let's start building. Here you can see I'm building it from scratch so that you can understand. Uh, so that you can understand. Here we'll add a Google Sheets search a row column, search rows. So then we will add a database. Like my database name is database, the Google Sheets name is database, sheet name is sheet 1. Limit I will give 3 uh, because there it is given, because in the database I have only 3 records, 3 leads, so I will be using only 3. And after that we will having run once. We will just click and see if it is working properly. Yeah, you can see that this workflow is working properly. So we need to add a Rion email verifier probably, so that on Rion email verifier, but we will not choose from here. We will select click on show more, and after that we will create a bulk. You have to select create a bulk verification task, and after that you have to connect it with your API key. How you will get the API key? You will just go log in into the email verification tool. This is how the interface looks like. After that you will go into the API integrations. Let it load. There it is. Yeah, it is loading. You will have you can see here create new API key. You will have an option to create a new API key. You can create. I have already created, so I cannot show it because due to privacy reasons. And you will copy it and go and paste it here in your connection, and after that it will uh, it will connect it itself. And task name will be, let it be email verify, and item will be email address. Let me see, where is the email address? Save. Let me see if it is running. Yeah, it is running. and you can see request as success of output 1, operation 1, 2 and 3 all are successful. And now we need to uh, now we need to update the database for to see which are valid and invalid. So first let me delete it. So you can see that here we have deleted one. So that now we will add a Google Sheets update row. Google Sheets updated option, and after that we will select the spreadsheet ID. Spreadsheet ID will be as same as we have given here, database. Database sheet name will be sheet 1, because here you can see that it is sheet 1 here. So we will be adding just so we will be selecting that. Row number will be row number, row number will be row number, and after that you can see that status means the email valid or not. So we will drag and drop this request status here, and after that we will save it. You can see that we have made this full we have completed the workflow. And let me test it once, and let me here you can see the space is empty. And let me execute the workflow and let's see what happens next. So run once. You can see that the workflow is successfully executed, and you have to just go here and see. You can see that success and success. That means you are just updating all the roads. This can be used in lead reactivation campaign, or if you are verifying a bulk lead list from anywhere, and you can update that into a Google Sheets, or you are just having a old lead database, then you can update the full to see the emails that are valid or not. So just let me know if you like this kind of build, and just let me know. And if you want me to build it, there is a call booking link below. You can book the call from here, from there. And just thanks.